Hey everyone, check out the BigBlue 28W solar charger with 3 USB ports delivering up to 4.8 amps total for fast charging. This foldable solar panel features smart charging technology that optimizes power for your devices like iPhones, iPads, and Samsung Galaxy phones. With a high energy conversion rate of up to 23%, it efficiently turns sunlight into free energy, while its durable PET polymer surface resists rain and dust. The charger is lightweight and compact, perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency kits, measuring just over 11 by 8 inches when folded. Keep in mind it requires direct sunlight and does not store power, so charging speed depends on weather and light conditions. For safety, the charger includes overcharge, overheat, and short circuit protection, certified by CE, FCC, and RoHS HS standards. Simply unfold it, connect your device, and enjoy eco-friendly charging wherever you go. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.